Greetings everyone and welcome to our first tutorial by Allied Consultants, and that is about how to make an online course. I have decided to keep things subtle and break down the whole tutorial into 5 simple steps. These 5 simple steps are basically the essentials to keep in mind before doing any other thing. Now, first of all, I would like to talk about finalizing the template. It should be simple, it should be attractive, it should have a soothing background music, it should be in high definition, and there should be no complexity, which means we have to keep the work crisp and clear. How so? By following the footsteps of a bestseller. About the bestseller, we'd like to follow the award-winning instructor George Levy. George Levy is actually a Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and a blockchain expert. Looking at his online tutorial courses on Udemy proves that he has a grip and command in what he is actually saying or telling the audience. It's fresh. Well, I decided to use a tutorial's outline because of the crispy and neat lecture. It's also sequence based, it's attractive, it has a bit of a glamour in it, and it has a good background music. Now, the second step is knowing the Udemy requirements. The lecture length, the video settings, the lighting, the framing, the file size, being mobile friendly, engagement, and the video must include a high quality audio. Now, the requirements. These requirements need to be kept in mind, considering this a very critical part of the whole procedure. Because if this part isn't followed properly, then our course won't be even uploaded on the Udemy plural site or any other online lecture website. Requirements to pass quality review process. Exported slides presentation with audio narration will not be approved unless they meet the following requirements. Videos cannot be composed of a single static slide with audio narration. All slides must be relevant to the narration and not simply subtitles for the audio. Course curriculum. The course curriculum should be similar, the subject matter expert, the keyword planning. These 3 things should be kept in mind. We should know about it first of all. Being similar should be same as of courses on Udemy, Lynda or plural site. Other essentials about this course, features, description, and about the instructor. It should go according to those of the courses uploaded on these sites. For example, we should write details about the course outline, the description of the course, or even a short note about the author. The subject matter expert. The subject matter expert, we should know about that in detail. The subject matter expert or domain expert is a person who is an authority in a particular area of a topic. The term domain expert is frequently used in expert systems software development, and there the term always refers to the domain other than the software domain. Subject matter experts provide expertise and knowledge in a specific area, such as process engineering or information technology. Now, talking about the keyword planning, the keyword tool. The keyword planner is more focused version of the Google keyword tool and AdWords graphic estimator tool, and the focus is on doing one thing only, to make it easier for advertisers to get through the process of creating new ad groups and ad campaigns. That is all for today, and the next lecture would be based on the 10 steps to creating a wildly successful online course. Picking the perfect course topic, ensure your course idea has high market demand, create magnetic and compelling learning outcomes, select and gather your course content, structure your modules and course plan, determine the most engaging and effective delivery methods for each lesson, filming, recording, and editing your online course, setting up your online school, getting the perfect pricing models and feeding into a bigger education based business model, launching and ongoing marketing. That's all for today, folks. Farewell. We will see you all in the next episode of Tutorial by Allied Consultants. Take care.